Is your electrical socket cracked, or has it just stopped working? If it's a standard home outlet, replacing it is a totally achievable DIY project. But remember, any electrical work can be dangerous. So work slowly, and if you see anything weird like burn marks or a wiring setup that doesn't match this guide, please call a professional electrician. At Jotech Electrical, we always recommend professional help for complex jobs. But if you're feeling confident, here's how to do it safely. First, let's prep for a safe installation. If you're working in a kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, or outdoor area, you need a special outlet called a GFCI or RCD. This device shuts off power if it gets wet, preventing shocks. Installing a brand new one is a job for an electrician, but replacing an existing one might be something you can handle. Next, protect yourself. Use tools with rubber handles and wear rubber-soled shoes. Never touch bare metal with your skin. Now for the most important step, turn off the power. Go to your breaker box and flip the circuit breaker for the outlet you're working on. If you're not sure which one it is, just turn off the main power to your entire house. Before you touch anything, you must test for voltage. A non-contact voltage tester is easy to use. Just place it near each slot. If it lights up or beeps, the power is still on. For a more reliable check, use a multimeter set to AC voltage. In the US, touch the red probe to the smaller vertical slot and the black probe to the larger one, then the round ground hole. The reading must be 0. Once you're absolutely certain the power is off, you can unscrew the faceplate and pull the old socket out. Now, let's wire the new socket. First, identify the terminals. On US sockets, brass screws are for the live wire, silver for the neutral, and green for the ground. On UK sockets, look for L for live, N for neutral, and E for earth or ground. If your wires look frayed, snip off the damaged part and strip about 3/4 of an inch of fresh insulation using a wire stripper. Be careful not to nick the metal wire. Next, bend the end of each wire into a small hook, like an umbrella handle. This ensures a secure connection. Now, match the wires to the correct terminals. In the US, the live wire is black, neutral is white, and ground is bare copper or green. In the UK and EU, live is brown, neutral is blue, and ground is green and yellow. Wrap each wire hook clockwise around its corresponding screw, so tightening the screw also tightens the wire loop. Tighten them firmly, but don't go crazy. Now you can carefully push the wires and outlet back into the wall box and screw on the faceplate. If you install the GFCI, press the test button to make sure it works. If anything seems off or you're unsure, stop and call a pro like us at Jotech Electrical. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Jotech Electrical, and hit the notification bell for more powerful tips. Stay safe, stay powered.